Hello student, how are you? Today I am here with exercise 6.2 class 9 general maths. There is a delay after 6.1 due to some reasons. I was busy for class 10 maths and advanced math videos. So sorry for the delay, but now it is needed. So this is exercise 6.2. Basically it deals with the parallel lines, and you have the idea class 8, class 7 also. There are basic things I want to discuss with you, which you should identify, you should know basic concept. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then number one, pair of alternate interior angles are equal. When two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then pair of alternate, these are called pair of alternate interior angles. See the direction. 3 angle 3 equal to angle 5, angle 4 equal to angle 6. They are in alternate direction, and between interior means inside the two parallel lines. So that's why. Pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Okay. Now, second property is when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then pair of corresponding angles are equal. See, corresponding angle needs to be identified. These are corresponding angles, form in same direction. The angle 2 will be equal to angle 6, angle 1 will be equal to angle 5, angle 4 will be equal to angle 7, angle 3 will be equal to angle 8. Okay, pair of corresponding angles are equal. Okay, and third important concept is when two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then interior angles, see these are interior angles 3, 4, 5, 6. Interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the interior angles on the same side of transversal will be 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 6 will be 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 will be 180 degree if the lines are parallel, then only. If the lines are not parallel, then it will not be. Okay. So that's why angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. These are also called co-interior angles. In shortcut, what you can write? Co-interior angles. If the lines are parallel, then. There are some other property also you can correlate, but these three are the basic concepts you need to use many times, and it is required there. You understood? What is number one? Alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and interior angles on the same side of transversal are equal if the lines AB is parallel to CD. And converse of all the three are also true. What do we do in converse? If you are able to show that angle 3 equal to 5, then AB will be parallel to CD. If angle 2 equal to angle 6, then AB will be parallel to CD. If angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree, then AB will be parallel to CD. The converse is also true. This is the first three concepts you should keep in your mind. You have the idea about this right from the class 7. One more concept is there. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Just I want to explain you briefly. You have this idea also. If see we have L, M, N are three lines. If M is parallel to L, if M is parallel to L and N is parallel to L, both lines M and N are parallel to the same line L. Both lines M and N are parallel to the same line L. Then the line M will be parallel to N. How will I explain this? First, what is given? M is parallel to L. If M is parallel to L, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Why? Because they are pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles. Okay. If the line N is parallel to L, if the line N is parallel to L, and this is the transversal, then angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Same region, pair of corresponding angles. From these two equations, what you will get? Angle 2 is equal to angle 1. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, what you will get? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. If angle 2 is equal to angle 3, but these are the pair of corresponding angles, and the converse property, just now I have explained you, if the pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the line must be parallel. So therefore, M parallel N. Understood? If the lines are parallel to the same line, they are parallel to each other. So these three are the minimum concept you need to keep in mind. Then you can understand the exercise 6.2 very clearly, very easy. And for class 9 students, easy only. Okay, so we will start now. Number 1. Question number 1, exercise 6.1. Diagram is given. You must draw the diagram always. In the exam, even in the question paper, the diagram is given, so some students never draw a diagram. Just write by observing the figure in the question paper, and it is not correct now. Diagram must be geometry, diagram must be there, and regions all need to be mentioned. This is given, this line name is not given. This angle is given 50 degree. This angle is they are saying X. This angle is given 130 degree. This angle is given Y. So in this figure we need to prove, first we need to find, this is number 1 we are talking about, we need to find the values of X and Y, and we also to prove AB parallel CD. So start the solution now. See, this and these two angles are linear pair. So linear pair means X plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, X plus 50 degree equal to 180 degree, because these together make a straight angle. You can write straight angle, or you can write linear pair also. Linear pair axiom. So what is X equal to? 180 degree minus 50 degree. How much will get? 130 degree. Okay, so X is 130 degree. Again, when two lines intersect each other, and these are called vertically opposite angle, and we have done the theorem in 6.1. When two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. So what you will write? Y equal to 130 degree. You must give the reason, since they are vertically opposite angles. So what you have got? X equal to 130, Y equal to 30. Therefore, actually what we have got? X equal to Y equal to 130 degree. Okay. But can you observe it? They are pair of alternate interior angles. But they are pair of alternate interior angles. And just now we have discussed now, if a pair of alternate interior angles are equal, the line must be parallel. Therefore, AB parallel CD. This is the reason only. So hence proved. This is the first answer and this is the second proof. Understood? We need to find x and y. We have got x also on 30, y also on 30, but since therefore they are equal, but they are the pair of alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angles will be equal only if the lines are parallel. All this is number 1. Okay, now number 2. This time 3 lines are given. Just we have discussed about the concept about 3 lines. Even it can be extended up to more than 3 lines also. When you are drawing lines, you must give the arrow. This is AB, this is CD, this is EF. Or transversal is also given, and this angle they are saying X, this angle Y, this angle Z. Okay, what is given? AB parallel CD and CD parallel EF. And also it is given that Y is to Z angles. The ratio of angle Y and angle Z is 3:7. We need to find the value of X. We need to find the angle X. Okay. So solution. Since first write down, since AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF, this is given only. Both AB and EF are parallel to the same line CD. Now only we have discussed, if the lines are parallel to the same line, they are parallel to each other. Okay. So what we will get? Therefore, AB parallel EF, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. You can use the symbol also, you can write in the word also. Okay. So first this we have proved. Now what is given? Since Y is to Z equal to 3:7. So we can take let Y equal to 3k degree also you can write, and Z equal to 7k degree. Okay. Now, you know X and Y are called what? X. Now, if AB is parallel to EF, AB is parallel to EF, and this line is a transversal, then angle X is equal to angle Z. Now, since AB parallel EF, just we have proved here, okay? Therefore, X equal to Z, angle X equal to Z. Don't see this line. See AB and EF. We have proved AB parallel EF. AB parallel EF. And this is a transversal. So X and Z are alternate interior angle. So they will be equal. They are alternate interior angles. Okay. Now, X and Y are the interior angles on the same side of transversal, or co-interior angles. So, you know, interior angles on the same side of transversal are supplementary. So, X plus Y equal to what you will get? 180 degree. In shortcut, you can write co-interior angle. co-interior angles, or you can write interior angles on the same side of transversal or supplementary. For x, what we can write? Z plus y equal to 180 degree. We have just proved x equal to z. What is z equal to? 7k plus what is y equal to? 3k is equal to 180 degree. So implies 10k equal to 180 degree. So what is k equal to? 18. Okay, k equal to 18. So what is z equal to? Z equal to 7k degree. 7k equal to, we have got 18 degree. How much we'll get? 126 degree. And we have already proved that x is equal to z. If z is 126 degree, therefore x equal to 126 degree, since we have proved x equal to z. Okay, this is the answer. Now next question, number 3. Okay, skip 5 seconds, I will draw a diagram. Very simple only. AB and CD this is EF, perpendicular symbol is there, and this is GE. Okay, this is the diagram. What is given? Number 3, AB parallel CD is given, EF perpendicular CD is given, AB parallel CD is given, EF perpendicular C is given, angle GED is given 126 degree. We need to find angle AGE, angle GEF, and angle FGE. Okay, this is easy only, but see, we have to find 3 angles, so little bit. Now see, what is given? AB parallel CD. Since AB parallel CD given, and G is the transversal, GE is the transversal. Okay, then 2 parallel lines are intersected by transversal, and this angle are alternate interior angles, and they will be equal to, what is the name of this angle? Angle AGE. Therefore, angle AGE is equal to angle GED, this angle. Angle GED. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. Okay. But see here, GED to given 126 degree and AGE we have to find. So we have got only, very simple. Angle AGE is equal to 126 degree. Understood? Since GED is already given. Now next target to find GEF. GEF, this angle. Okay. See this angle. So this angle plus this angle, angle GEF, plus angle FED plus angle FED. Then you will add this angle and this angle, you will get this angle, which is angle GED is equal to angle GED. For this region is not needed because from the figure it is clear. No, this plus this, you will get this, which is angle GED. Implies GEF, we have to find out only. So angle GEF plus angle FED. FED is this symbol represents 90 degree, it is even perpendicular also. So for this we can write, and this is also given GED 126 degree. So what you will get? Angle GEF is equal to 126 degree minus 90 degree. So how much will get? 36 degree. In the last, we have to find angle FGE. This angle. This is so easy only, no? This plus this together form a straight angle. What is name? Angle AGE. Since angle AGE plus angle FGE, which we need to find, plus angle FGE, this plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree. You can write a straight angle. Sometimes a linear pair, but what is AGE? AGE we have calculated, no, 126 degree plus angle FGE is equal to 180 degree. So implies angle FGE equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. How much will get? 54 degree. So this is the answer, this is the answer, and this is the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is number 3. Number 4 is important question for the exam. Not difficult, easy only. So we will start now. Number 4. Question number 4, the diagram I will draw. Simple only. This is given, this is, and this is. Here what is given? PQ. This point is R. This is S. And this is T. This angle also given 130 degree. This angle also given 110 degree. Okay. So what is this is number 4. We are doing what is given? PQ parallel ST. PQ parallel ST given. Okay. Number 4 given. First always we write given. And angle PQR is equal to 110 degree. It is given in the diagram also. It is not compulsory to write, but better you write given angle RST equal to 130 degree. We need to find angle QRS. Angle QRS. Now see, we need a construction here. Construction understood? What diagram is given? If we want to do something extra other than given, that is called construction. So through the point R, we draw a line parallel to PQ. Okay. Anything you can name it. You can write MN or any other name which is not given. So this is called construction. So we need to write construction here. Okay. Construction through the point R. Through the point R, comma, MN parallel PQ. See, PQ parallel ST is given already. If we draw MN parallel PQ, and it is already given that PQ is parallel to ST, so MN will be parallel to ST. So we can write here parallel ST is drawn. Understood why? Because PQ parallel ST is given here and we are drawing MN is parallel to PQ, the MN will be parallel to ST also. Okay. Now solution. Question is to find out, so we are writing solution. See, when two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then co-interior angles are supplementary. So you know, PQ is parallel to MN. Since PQ parallel MN from construction and QR is the transversal, QR is the transversal, Therefore, angle PQR plus angle QRM equal to 180 degree. So what is it called? Co-interior angles, or you can say interior angles on the same side of transversal. Understood? When two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then this angle and this angles are interior angles on the same side of transversal, and they are supplementary. You can write interior angles on the same side of transversal, or you can say co-interior angles. Understood? You put the value of PQR 110 degree plus angle QRM equal to 180 degree, implies angle QRM is equal to 180 minus 110. How much you will get? 70 degree. Okay. Now, same thing this side also. We have ST parallel MN. ST parallel MN from construction, and SR is the transversal. SR is the transversal. Therefore, angle RST or angle TSR plus angle SRN is equal to 180 degrees. Same region, co-interior angles. Implies put the value of TSR 130 degree plus angle SRN is equal to 180 degree. So from here we will get angle SRN equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. How much we will get? 50 degree. See, we have got this angle and this angle, and our target is to find angle QRS, this angle. So now I am writing here, since this angle QRM, since angle QRM plus angle QRS plus angle QRS plus angle SRN plus angle SRN is equal to 180 degree. No, these three makes a straight angle. You can write straight angle. Put the value QRM and 70 degree plus QRS, so we have to find only QRS plus SRN. How much you have got? 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Implies angle QRS plus 70 plus 50. How much you get? 120 equal to 180 degree. Implies angle QRS equal to 60 degree. This is the answer. Okay. This parallel, this was given, this angle was given, this angle was, we need to find this angle. So first we have to draw a line parallel to PQ, and since PQ was parallel to ST given, so it will parallel to ST also. Then first find this angle using co-interior angle concept, and find this angle using co-interior angle concept, and this plus this plus this together form a straight angle, so you can calculate this. So this is not difficult. Okay. I will go to the next sum, number 5. Number 5 is also simple. Give arrow here. This is AB, this is CD, this is PQR. This angle is given 50 degree. This angle they are named as Y. This is given as X, and this is given 127 degree. Okay, first write the given. Question number 5 we are talking about given. AB parallel CD is given. Angle APQ. APQ is given 50 degree. Angle PRD is given 127 degree. PRD. Then we need to find X and Y. Okay. This is simply based on the parallel line property. Okay. Skip 5 seconds. I will check the camera. It's working or not. Okay, it's fine. Working. It's working only. Okay, continue now. Solution. What is given? AB parallel CD, and see, this is the transversal. AB parallel CD given. PR is the transversal. Now, when two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then this angle and this angle are called pair of alternate interior angles. So, what is this angle? Y plus 50 degrees. Therefore, y plus 50 degree. What is this angle? Is equal to 127 degree. What is the reason? Because they are pair of alternate interior angles. Okay. So you can calculate y from here, no? 127 minus 50. So how much we get? Is it 77 degrees? Okay. And again, this time AB parallel CD. Since AB parallel CD given, this time PQ is the transversal. PQ is the transversal. See, this line AB is parallel to this line. This line is transversal, and this angle are pair of alternate interior angles. So therefore, what we will get? X equal to 50 degree. Pair of, you can should write pair of. Okay, pair of alternate interior angles. Here also you can write pair of. So this is the answer and this is the answer. Okay. This is all about number 5. Now number 6. Number 6 little bit science related question also. So it is very useful because we have some idea of science also. There are two plane mirrors placed parallel to each other. Okay, what is the name? PQ and here RS. And this is plane mirror, no? So it is painted one side. So that's why this is given painted one side. They are faced to each other parallelly. There is an incident ray. Okay, they have named it AB, direction of AB. Then after the reflection, this is called reflected ray. For this mirror, this is reflected ray, but for this mirror, it becomes incident ray again. C. Then again, this is reflected. They have given name it C. It is show the direction of the rays. We have to prove AB parallel CD. Given, you can write from the question briefly. Okay, I will tell you. PQ and RS are two plane mirrors placed parallel to each other. AB is the incident ray and BC the reflected ray for PQ, but it is incident ray for RS, and CD is reflected ray. we need to prove AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. Okay. See, laws of reflection we need to use here. So for the laws of reflection you have done in class 8 perhaps, we need to draw normal. This point is called point of incidence. Okay. From this point of incidence, draw a perpendicular. Okay. You can name it as M. And this is for this mirror, RS mirror. This is also point of incident ray striking the mirror here. So here also, it's called normal. Normal. To draw BM parallel PQ, construction you can write. This is construction. BM perpendicular PQ and CN perpendicular RS are drawn. You can have a broken line or direct line also, but you mention it. Name this angle. Suppose this angle 1, this angle 2, otherwise you have to write the full name, so let's save the time. You can write the short name. This is angle is 3, this angle is 4, okay. Now, proof. Need to prove here, so we write proof. Sir, one important thing, when two lines are parallel, if you draw perpendicular on first line and second line, the perpendiculars drawn on parallel lines are also parallel. The perpendiculars drawn on parallel lines are also parallel. Okay. So actually BM is parallel to CN because PQ is parallel to, so you can write here. Since BM perpendicular PQ, CN perpendicular RS from construction, okay, from construction, and PQ parallel RS, therefore BM parallel CN. Now, if BM parallel CN, and what is BC? Transversal, then angle 2 will be equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because they are pair of alternate interior angles. Pair of alternate interior angles. Let it be question 1. Okay, now from the laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. This is incident angle. Angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. Suppose this is 2. Oh, you give the region together from the laws of reflection. From the laws of reflection. Okay, let it be question 2 here. From 1 and 2, what you will get? Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So what you will get? From this to what you will get? Angle 1 equal to angle 2, but angle 2 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. Therefore, angle 1 will be equal to angle 3. See? Not understood. Angle 2 and 3 are equal. See here. Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. Because angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 4 is equal to angle 3, and 2 and 3 are itself equal. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 4. Let this be equation 3. Okay. Now adding 1 and 3. What we will get? Left side plus left side, angle 2 plus angle 1. Or you can write angle 1 plus angle 2. Right side plus right side, angle 3 plus angle 4. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? This angle. What is the name? Angle ABC. This is name of this two angle ABC. And what is 3 equal to 4? Angle BCD. Angle BCD. Here, angle ABC here and angle BCD here. But these are what type of angle? But they are, I am writing here, but these angles are pair of alternate interior angles, and alternate interior angle will be equal if and only if AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, AB parallel CD, hence proved. See, to prove AB parallel CD, you need to prove pair of all this angle and this angle are equal. We have used the laws of reflection here, angle 1 equal to angle 2. You know from the science laws of reflection. This will not be given in the sum. Okay, so that's it. These are the 6 sum, and 7, 1, 8 are the MCQ. What is number 1? Can I read it out? If the sides BC of triangle, this is the exterior angle property of triangle. So given an exterior angle is equal to sum of, this we will do in the next exercise. And the sum of the angles. But you have done in class 7, so both A and R are true. But R is not correctly explaining 1. So 7 option will be number B. And 8 number is so simple only, you can do yourself. This is for your homework. Okay. So that's why in the next class we will come with the exercise 6.3. I hope you understood. If any question you have, any doubt you have, please comment and write and message us, and I will try to resolve you. Go through it. If you understood, then please share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for today. Bye bye.